Remember, it's all about fun, it's all about taking care of yourself. Make sure you come back safe and sound. At the same time, you are your brothers and sisters keeper. Take care of yourself.
Ayos. Walang pahinga. Pagdating, takbo agad. Kulit na no? Hey, how are you? It's nice to see you again. Where's the baby? Baby at home. Whoopsie. One down. Oh, that's two actually. Yan. Alright.
FTR.
Silo din yan.
FTR UE. Lapit na.
Don't be scared, we are all goats.
In one piece.
Oh yeah. Yes. Huh? Climb starts 3.5. 6K. Elevation 875. 6 kilometers. Let's go. .48 kilometers, 987 elevation. First stop. First aid station. Whew. Hi guys.
Welcome to your first checkpoint.
First aid station.
You made it.
Okay, 1,000 elevation, 7.8 kilometers, 2 hours 7 minutes in the race. Let's go. Ayan si Leo. Huy, 2 hours na. Leo, 10 kilometers, 1.3 meter elevation. Ganda ng lugar, oh. Woohoo! 2 hours 40 minutes na ang nakakalipas. We're at 12 kilometers, 1,300 meter elevation, and there are donkeys. Hey brother, salam. Thirteen kilometers. 1346 elevation again. .2 1550 elevation. Asphalt. Checkpoint 2, Jebel Mebra City. Uy. CP2. Hey guys, thank you for volunteering.
Hi, you're welcome.
Okay, distance 22 kilometers, 1.6 elevation gain. Tapos oras 12 na ng tanghali, 12 PM. Malamig ang hangin pero init, trik na trik ang araw. Okay, and open ang buo. Okay na, 22K, 23K. Look at that view. Ganda. Whew. Ganda ng view, oh. Grabe. CP3. Tala Village. Hi guys. Hey guys.
Hi vlog, welcome to my
Yes.
kabayans.
CP3. 23.7. Nice. .9 kilometers. Kasama ko si Jay tsaka si Leo. .26.5. Sama ko pa rin yung mga malakas. You know. Ganda oh, putik. Nice. We're at 27.7 kilometers. Nice one, bro.
More or less 5.
Yeah.
Next city, more or less 5.
Okay, tapos na kami sa downhills. 3.8 kilometers.
Yeah ba?
Sama ko pa rin si Jay. Naiwan si Leo. Ayun, yung pala siya. Oh. Layo pa. Oo. Yan, inakit namin. Ganda sa taas. Ay, binaba namin. Layo pa yan. Tapos, akit ulit kami dito naman sa kabila. Pero dun pa. Aba yan! Yan ah!
Good luck! The best!
Yes! Ayos! 33.8 kilometers. 6 hours, 53 minutes. Ayos again. Oh, ito si Roy!
Yun o! Mabilis!
Uy!
Sabi ko nga, nandito ka eh. Naamoy
Where's the beef? You scan your beef? Can you check in? Yeah. You got to scan the beef there.
Alright. Uy, lugaw. Oh. Salamat sa sponsor.
Hello po, salamat po.
Salamat po. Salamat, sir.
Kain na kayo.
Hirap talaga pag
Wala pa eh.
Yanas Mountain. Banas na banas.
Banas sa yanas.
Puro lakad. Ibay. Kami pa rin. DOJ. You know. Woo! Alright. 42.7. CP yan na stop. To 1,356 elevation. Huy! Grabe ba?
Hi guys.
Yanas end.
Yanas end.
Yes.
How are you feeling?
All good, all good. Yes. 47.226 distance. 48.76. Lapit na magdilim. Tsaka malamig. Time check, ano oras? Time check 6 PM. Dilim na, di ba? Dilim na. Okay, exactly 50 km. 2,800 elevation. Grabe. May pa naman. Pasado alas 6. Dilim na.
Hello po.
Checkpoint, checkpoint.
Pwede po makahiram
Uy!
ng upuan?
Mga FRU pala to eh.
Opo. Hi kuya. Good evening. FRU kami.
Alright. Dali checkpoint.
Coach Ray pala.
Dito ka pala.
Coach.
100 ulit.
Papa, 100 ulit.
Good evening, good evening. Alright. 54K 28.
Joseph.
Grabe.
Hindi na makangiti eh.
Ayan. FRU, FRU.
FRU.
Woohoo! Picture muna.
Hindi ako kita.
56.3. Kasama ko ng FTR. Ayan, sila Jean. Oh, Jay. Leo, Ramon, tsaka si James. Alright. Lapit na kami sa drop bag.
Tara, 30.
172. 172. Woo.
Great job, Sox!
Hi!
Wadi. Kada. Bakit?
Wala ka na pagkain. Wala ka na busa.
I'm here.
In-over na lang nila.
No more food? Seriously?
Kumain na.
Okay, tira-tira na lang.
Pinapin
Yan, tira-tira na lang yung kinakain namin. Ang tindi.
Antay.
Yes, may support kami.
Yes, yes! Hello, Filipino kabayan! Yeah, yeah, yeah!
Thanks guys.
Awesome.
Yan sila. Lolo.
Awesome! Sign up pa more! Woo!
Gusto nyo yan eh. Ha?
Register pa more! No problem! I'm
100 pa gusto ha.
Register pa more!
Yes.
Lifetime!
Walang pa.
Once!
Check-in
Ah,
ka
tara.
na?
Check-in
Check-in ka na sa asawa mo? Oy!
Ay,
Okay,
oo,
Marcos.
nagmesh na ako.
Galaw-galaw na.
89.3 kilometers, 4,471. Ang oras ay mag-aalas 7 na, 30 minutes. 7 AM, magsa 7 AM na. Wasak. Ang lamig pa. Ang taas ng inakyat namin, may iba pa doon. Ayan yung mga sasakyan, no? Sobrang layo. Akitin pa namin yan. Malayo pa. Pahinga lang saglit. Okay, tapos na kami sa Samar. Tapos na kami sa Samar. Dito namin sa CP. Ayan o. Samar Peak na. Maulap. Whew. It's another day. Hey! Morning! Model, sarap. Ang kikit nyo dyan ah. Ay, pwede po, meron pa.
May ano kayo?
Meron. Yan o, hamog pa yan.
Grabe, ang lamig sa Tagaytay.
Grabe. Ayan. Todo cover kami sa lamig.
Ang lamig sa Tagaytay.
Ayan o, paakyat yung hamog. Tumatama sa amin. Lapit na kami. 90k na. 90 kilometers. Almost finished.
Yes, baby!
Yeah.
Sabi ko siyempre, pag umaraw, bago mental natin eh.
Flip, you done it already in the mountain. I know.
View deck.
You done it already because you came late.
We slept for an hour.
I know.
You also soft drinks?
It's
Yes,
okay.
please.
Oh, one of the kabayan slept there for 3 hours.
Thank you.
All good, brother.
I forgot his name.
All good, right?
Ito siya. But he came. Okay, electrolytes, soft drink.
Yan. LJS 1640. Woohoo! Mga wasak na. Ano nang distance natin?
97.5.
97.5. Putak. Let's go. Huli na, last na to. Lapit na kami sa finish line. Woo! Yun oh.